Chapter 14, Number 5. A stationary boat bobs up and down with a period of 2.3 seconds when it encounters the waves from a moving boat. A. What is the frequency of the waves? And B. If the crests of the waves are 8.5 meters apart, what is their speed? So A, the frequency, which is just 1 over the period, so 1 over 2.3 seconds, which is 0.43478 hertz, which of course becomes just 0.43 hertz. And then part B, what is the wave speed based on their wavelength? Well, we know lambda, right, which is the crests of the wave spacing. So we have lambda is 8.5 meters, and we know that the velocity of a wave is always the distance traveled, 1 lambda, and the time it takes, which is 1 period, or lambda f. Either of those should work. I'm going to stick with the lambda over t because we already had t. So 8.5 meters over 2.3 seconds, which is 3.69565 meters per second, which becomes 3.7.